What's up, guys, gals? It's Brad Taylor here. I was going to show you all a quick video. I got a little DIY project I've been working on here. This is going to be a camera stand. And I know it looks kind of funny. My wife always makes fun of me. I do little projects like this all the time at the house. What I done here is I got 4 pieces of copper. And I got 2 pieces of cardboard. I taped them together. Cut a hole in it to where the phone will literally lay right down on that like that. And what it's going to do is it's going to be looking through my cardboard here. And anyway, as I'm looking through the cardboard, I set that there. And I don't know if y'all ever seen them little pull-up machines that you hook on like a door frame. Well, this is kind of like one of those. I kind of thought for a second, figured this little concept out. My buddy helped me. But anyway, these little tubes here, 2 pieces of copper, they slide over top of each other like this. And what it's going to do is you guys can make this at your house for pretty easy. But anyway, the way it's going to work out is this is going to be the bottom, this big piece over here. I'm going to glue and tape this to it like this, like so. But the way it's going to work is I'm going to have 2 more pieces cut of about this length on the bottom, and they're going to slip over that little skinny piece of tubing and glue to the bottom of this, on the bottom side. I got 2 pieces of thicker tubing for the top, like I said, that screw off there, that piece right there, and this one over here. The way I'm going to do it is I'm going to make these a little bit shorter like that, and what it's going to do is basically I got a lip downstairs. It's a shelf, and I can set this up. Let me try to grab it here. Sorry, y'all. It's going to kind of grab like a shelf downstairs that I got. It's going to lip up over it. I'm trying to get her angled here. And basically it's going to hold on there like this, like so. And it'll be glued down and taped down to where I can slide it in or out at any time. Like it'll grab a hold. I'll show you here like this. And it'll slip in and out like this. I can move my camera in and out. And it'll set, you know, just a few feet above my pictures that I'm working on. I'll show you a finished project of it when I'm all said and done. I know it looks a little odd. I do stuff like this all the time. I'm an engineer, but if you like it, like, subscribe, comment in the video what you think about it, you guys. I'm signing out. Peace.